Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are making a peach cobbler, southern style. So let's get started. I'm using half a cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and a touch of lemon juice to cut the sugar a bit. I'm going to now add my peaches and bring them to a boil. Lowering the heat and simmering for 10 minutes. I have butter and butter shortening that I'm going to cut into my flour. You want to make sure your butter and butter shortening is cold. So I've had it in the refrigerator up until I was ready to use it. Here I'm using ice cold water to mix the flour together. And you don't want to pour it all at once. Preparing my dough here for kneading. Now when it comes to kneading dough, you only need to knead it maybe 3 times, depending upon however much dough that you're trying to knead out. I cut it in half because I'm going to use 1 part for the top portion of my cobbler and the other half for the bottom. And you can roll it out to your thickness, but I prefer mine to be not that thick. Here I'm just shaping it to the bottom of my pan that I'm using, the dish. And I don't like a lot of bread, so what I'm doing is I'm going to actually cut off the edges and shape it to the bottom of the dish. So now I'm ready to prepare the crust of the cobbler, the top crust. For my sugar topping, I'm using 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Coat lightly here. And use a slotted spoon, preferably, to add your peaches. And then you're going to pour in your juice from the peaches a little at a time. I'm done adding my filling, so now I'm moving on to adding my crust, and I'm going to add it crisscross. If your dough tends to overlap, don't worry about that. That's the good thing about dough. You're able to shape it and manipulate it to the form that you want it to take. So just keep working with it, and you'll soon have your desired outcome. Okay, after 35 minutes in the oven, baked at 350 degrees, our peach cobbler is done. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. And again, thanks for watching and stopping by the channel today. I hope you enjoy the video. Take care, guys.